If you're looking for quick and easy New Year's Eve looks, look no further because today I'm going to be showing you 3 fabulously stunning New Year's Eve looks that get done in 5 minutes or less. So if you're ready, let's begin. For all the 3 looks, I'm going to be using the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette, one of my favorite palettes. For the first look, I'm going to start with the black eye pencil. The one that I'm using is from Pixie. I'm going to use it in my waterline as well as my lash line. While using the black eye pencil, you don't have to be perfect because we'll be smudging the lash line anyway. And instead of a black eye pencil, you can also use a gel liner. It's time to smudge this out, so I'm using a smudging brush by Folklore and I'm going to go over my lower as well as top lash lines. Again, because you don't have to be perfect in applying the eyeliner, this gets done so quick. From the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette, I'm going to dip into Ritual Matte Shadow and I'm going to simply apply it over the smudge liner on my lid. I'm just using a regular flat fluffy brush. I'm going to take it all the way from my lash line to my socket. And then with the Real Techniques smudging brush, I'm also going to smoke it out in my lower lash line. Using a large blending brush, simply blend out the outer edge, moving it outward and upward. That'll give you an elongated eye look. I'm now going to be using glitter. This is the Memory glitter, which is a black glitter. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to be simply applying it to the center of my lid and center of my lower lash line. The brush that I'm using is a smudging brush by Folklore. And because this is a pressed glitter, you don't need an adhesive or a base. Using Metallic Aura, I'm going to highlight my brow bones as well as the inner corners for that pop of highlight. And then I'm going to finish up by curling my lashes with the Sally Hansen curler and applying a coat of mascara. I'm going to be using the Diamond Mascara by Physicians Formula. Absolutely love this mascara. It's a drugstore mascara, isn't expensive, and it gives you so much length and volume. If you prefer, you can also use false lashes, but because today I'm going to be showing you 3 different looks, I'm going to stay away from false lashes because I have to remove the residue of glue for every look. So I'm just going to stick with mascara. Here's the first look. How easy and stunning is that? Just perfect for New Year's Eve. Gets done in 5 minutes or less. Now for the second look, I'm going to place a card or a piece of paper like this in the outer edge. So it's going to be an extension of my lower lash line. I'm going to dip into Matte Ritual Eyeshadow and I'm going to start pushing it towards the lid from the outer corner. Again, I'm using the large e.l.f. concealer brush. You can also use a blending brush or you can also apply it with your finger. I'm working with this eyeshadow very light-handedly because I want that beautiful blend. You don't have to apply too much. Blending becomes a nightmare. If you want to increase the intensity, you can keep layering the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to dip into Matte Memory, which is a black eyeshadow, to deepen the outer corner. I'm going to be applying it closer to the lash line, again pushing that eyeshadow towards the inner part of the lid and towards the lash line in the very outer corner. Again, I'm applying it very light-handedly, and then with a larger blending brush, I'm going to go over both the eyeshadows that I just applied so it gives me that clean blend. And because we have that stencil in the outer corner, it gives you that clean edge. You can see how beautiful that ombre of shades look. With a flat liner brush, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow in my lash line, simply stamping it along my lashes. And as I move to the outer corner, I'm going to make the liner a little bit more thicker, but I'm not going to take it all the way to the end of my lash line. We'll make the outer end invisible by taking a fluffy brush and smudging it out. So that'll give you a beautiful liner, but at the same time, if you have hooded eyes like me, it will not interfere with the fold in the outer corner. I'm going to smoke out the Ritual Matte Eyeshadow in my lower lash line using a small fluffy brush. And then I'm going to use the Aura glitter in the rest of my lid where I did not apply the eyeshadow. Again, as this is a pressed glitter, you just apply it like a regular eyeshadow by stamping it on your lid. You don't need an adhesive or a base. And then using the Metallic Aura, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bone. That's pretty much it. And now I'm finishing up by curling my lashes. Again, I'm using the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Diamond Mascara by Physicians Formula. I prefer to apply mascara both in my top as well as bottom lashes. You're welcome to apply it just in your top lashes or just in your bottom lashes, whatever you prefer, or even use false lashes. This look is classy. It goes well with any outfit, whether you're wearing a neutral or a black or a colored outfit. You can never go wrong with neutrals and a neutral glitter. This next look is one of my all-time favorites because I have hooded eyes. I'm going to start with the Pixie eye pencil in black. I'm going to be using it in my waterline, both bottom as well as top. I'm going to pull out a small wing extending my outer corner, and then I'm also going to use it in my lower lash line. Here's a simple trick. Using my finger, I'm going to extend and sharpen the wing in the outer corner. And then I'm going to start smudging and smoking out that liner in my bottom lash line using a smudging brush. I'm using a little bit of black eyeshadow to do this to get that smoky effect. Keep on smoking till you're happy with the way it looks. What we're trying to do here is to create that reverse smoky liner. I'm also going to make the wing a little bit more thicker, and as you can observe, the wing is thicker towards the lower lash line, not the upper lash line, so it's not going to interfere with the fold. And I'm also going to attach it to my upper lash line. Now, simply using metallic aura, I'm going to add a pop of highlight right to the center of the lid. That should give a rounded, bigger lid effect. I'm also going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bone. Curling my lashes. Again, this is the Sally Hansen curler, and using the diamond mascara to finish up this look. Instead of the pop of highlight in the center of the lid, you can also use glitter, or you can use the highlight and glitter on top of it. So you can do many variations of the same look. And if you're wearing a colored outfit and you want to add a pop of color, you can use a colored liner instead of black in your lower lash line and follow the same steps. And here is the completed look. Absolutely love a reverse smoky moment, whether it's a smoky liner or smoky eyeshadow. It looks absolutely stunning. Again, this is such a neutral look, goes with any outfit and gets done so quick. I'd love to know which one was your favorite, so let me know in comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you plan to recreate any of these looks, please don't forget to tag me. My social media links are listed down below in the description box. If you want information on any of the products that I used today, they are listed in the View Products link in this video on the left bottom corner. I hope you rock New Year's Eve. I look forward to seeing you in 2023 with brand new fabulous videos. I love you guys so much. Happy New Year in advance, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.